YouTube land. I got a repair coming up in this AAON system. I'm going to be doing a EEV Retrofit. Little backstory. These EXVs right here are no longer being used by AAON. After consultation with tech support, I'll be doing a switch over to now a Sporlan EXV. Now this is circuit B and C2. Circuit I'm doing is that first one. So I gotta climb over this coil, get over there, and knock that all out. Now these EXVs also use these transducers. Hopefully I can just keep the wiring circuit here and tap off of it for the Sporlan components instead of trying to run new wire all the way through the cabinet here. I mean, we're on the fan side. I mean, the electrical cabinet's way on the opposite side here. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. So I'm hoping that's gonna be my game plan. So I'll go there and show what else I gotta go and install on the control side as well. I'm gonna be making this into like a short bit sort of videos instead of doing one long video. I'll just dismember it and then show it part by part. This circuit is 130 pounds. So I'll show like recovering that and then move on and then show one thing after another. That way it's, like I said, I like short vids instead of posting and waiting, trying to upload a long video. So let's go there and take a look and then go from there. So part of the retrofit, I have to add a Sporlan valve module somewhere in here and tie it off on the EXV comm right here on this refrigerant module. That way this module can get the readings off that module to communicate on the position of the valve from its pressure readings, the superheat value, and saturations. So I'm hoping, like I said, I'll just be able to tap off some of the wiring in here and then hook up my module somewhere. There's a couple other things I gotta add in here somewhere to give power to that module. But yeah, should be pretty fun. Like I said, I'll do step videos just to go through the process instead of making one big old video. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. So we'll see what happens. See you on the next one.